Hello, this is Mr. Rasmussen with Algebra 1, Lesson 105. And in this particular lesson, we're going to do some factoring, but we're going to group them first, and then you can see by doing that, we can see how we can take out a something that both two terms have. So in this case, the first one here, I wrote in some parentheses. I'm going to group the first two and then the last two, and that's really the easiest way to just start it out. All right, and so if we look at the first two here, they both have an a. So let's take an a out. I'm left with xy minus 4. In the second set of terms, you can see they both have a b. So let's take a b out. I'm left with an xy minus 4. And then since the a is connected to this by multiplication and the b is connected to the same thing by multiplication, we can actually put the a and the b together in parentheses and then write it out this way. Now the parentheses are really important because if you didn't have them there, it would indicate that the b is multiplied by everything over here but not the a. The parentheses make it both the a plus the b multiplied, and we can simplify it that way like that. Okay, let's look at the second example problem here. Once again, the easiest way to group them probably is just to take the first two and then the last two. So if we take the first two together, what do they both have in common? They both have an a. So let's factor out an a. We're left with c plus 2d. All right, and the second part here, what do they both have? They both have a b. Okay, so we put that there. But then a little tricky, you can actually factor out a 2 evenly. So if we take a 2 out of the first one, and we're left with just the c. If we take a 2 out of the second one, we're left with a 2, and then we're also left with the d. All right, once again, you can see inside the parentheses are the same two terms, c plus 2d, and so we can write it out as a plus 2b, put that in parentheses, the a and this one. We can combine those and then write the second part, c plus 2d, and it's connected by multiplication there, so that is a factoring by grouping. Okay, go ahead and try the two practice problems, and then check your work with my work and see how you do. Okay, I'm going to group the first two and the last two. What does this one have? This one has an a, so I'll pull an a out, so mb minus 7 there. The second part, what do they both have? Looks like they both have an n, so pull that out and it looks like that, and then I can write it together, and there is my answer for practice problem A. All right, practice problem B. Again, I'm going to group my first two and my last two. Looking in the first two, it looks like they both have an n. So factor that out. I get s plus 3x left over. The second part here, looks like I can take out a 2. And looks like I can also take out it looks like did I write that right? Let's check. Nope, I did not write that right. This is supposed to be an x right here. All right, let's fix that. All right, I can take out a c. And then what's left is the s plus 3x there. Notice once again the same things are in the parentheses. The terms in front of it are connected by multiplication, so I can put those together. N plus 2c, put that in parentheses together, multiply by s plus 3x. Yes, notice that the n is multiplied by all this, and the 2 and the c is multiplied by all this. Therefore, I can combine those together in parentheses. It still indicates that both of these are getting multiplied by this. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Have a great day.